What's up, everybody? You already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, and today we're going to talk about something that's super important and why it was super easy for me and my team to make more adjustments than anybody else, and something that you need to know now, right? They've lifted their ban, and now you have to understand how to protect your OnlyFans business. But the reality is how to protect your content creator business. And today we're actually going to go through the structure that we build out for our OnlyFans creators that we think is super valuable and so important when it comes down to truly building a business, okay? And let's break this down. And you guys actually, first of all, give me a favor, give me a thumbs up, follow, like the channel, make sure you comment down below if this is the most fire information you've ever got. Comment down below. It truly helps me fight through this bullshit across YouTube that really allows me to be the leader in this industry like I have been, and as well give you the best information, except for all these people giving you bullets smack. But we're going to teach you how to be a true marketer right now and a marketer of your own business, right? So the one thing I want to say first off is you're not in the OnlyFans business, you're in the influential business, influencer business, which means protecting your business is important. OnlyFans is OnlyFans, but you yourself has to have your own business. And I'm going to show you the structure that we use, and I'm giving you an absolutely free training. If you go on the link down below, you get an absolutely free training teaching you how to set this up for yourself step by step, walking you through the process of building your true influencer business. And I'm gonna show you how right now, right? So this is something you have to truly understand, which is the path of your subscribers. And the one thing that you need to build, and this shows you, if you don't understand it, comment down below, need another structure or need it to look differently so I can express it in different ways. I'm going to shoot a couple of videos on this anyway. So everybody has traffic that comes to their social media, right? And here's the thing about social media. You have like TikTok and all these other platforms. This is also going to protect you. The first thing you need to do is build a link in your bio. I'm actually going to change this up because we don't use ClickFunnels. We made it simpler than ClickFunnels. So I'm going to delete that real quick. So we use Kartra, okay? And Kartra, let's put it in there. The link in your bio is your website, right? Like what you build out. But you need to, instead of sending people directly to your OnlyFans, you need to send them to somewhere where you can get their email, their phone number, their name, and then you want to send them to OnlyFans. Why? Because what happens if OnlyFans disappears again? What happens if OnlyFans decides they just don't want to do this, they last it forever, and you do have to switch up again? But the reality is, if you're already on OnlyFans making money, why would you switch right now? People are switching and they're like, oh, we're leaving it, we don't trust it. That's fine. But it doesn't matter what platform you're on. You need to build your influencer business by having the names, the phone numbers, whatever you necessarily need, emails from the people who truly with your content the most, so that you can never leave this industry no matter what. Which means if you have to switch platforms, if you have to launch another product, no matter what you do, that you have your top fans information where you can send them a direct contact, which is called a direct marketing business. And you want to be able to directly market to the people who mess with you the best. You know what I mean? Who really mess with you, who really F with you. I want to say a bunch of bombs, but I don't want to get demonetized. So here's the way that we look at it. We build a link with a landing page directly from our creators, and in the free training, we will show you like the insides and outs. I can't show you some of it because I may get demonetized or I may pop up something that you don't truly want to see. But we build out the landing page for them, and then they click on the landing page and they get access, which what they do is they come here, they submit their information to the website so that they can get access to your OnlyFans. There's a lot of powerful things here, right? You get to keep what we call the book of business. And the book of business is so powerful for you because it allows you to be able to transfer from any platform you need. And then at any point in time when people are subscribing to your channel, if they didn't subscribe to your channel, right? Here's the thing. Some people get lost in this subscribing position, like they got to put all their information in. But you can go here, and if they do not go here, right, if they don't put it in, you can send them a text message marketing or a message to them telling them, hey, guess what, people? It's time to subscribe. Here's a deal. Here's that. Here's this. Being able to remarket to them again to then get them into your OnlyFans consistently. And if you release another video that's hot and that's heavy and that people may not necessarily always come back to OnlyFans because a lot of times they don't have their notifications on and they're not getting OnlyFans updates. But what they can get from you directly is a message to their email stating that you've released another piece of content, which makes your whole business very, very powerful. Okay. But let's actually break this down down how it's set up in the way we talk about it all the time, which is your traffic, your conversions, and your sales. How you market yourself and where you send them. This is the powerful part right here, because you get to keep all your data and conversion. It also allows you to build pages, separate pages for each of these pages, so you can truly know where you're getting your most conversions from. Right? Like we have, for some of our creators, we have an Instagram link, a Twitter link, a Facebook link, a Reddit link, a TikTok link, and they're all different, right? Even TikTok has been shutting people down, but they don't shut them down with our websites. As long as you build it the right way and you actually have what I call you gathering information and you don't just put it on TikTok what you do. We haven't had TikTok accounts shut down either. The only time we ever had one countdown shut down is because we put the link in the actual thing, which means if you don't understand this, when people, when what they call scrapers scrape a platform to see if something's appropriate or not, they can go onto your page and they can click buttons. But the scraper can't do is put in their information, click submit, and then see what you have to offer behind that, which really gives you that possibility to build your book of business, which is the most powerful. That's how you have to protect your OnlyFans business. Okay. Then over here, it tells you what platform you're going to actually send it to. OnlyFans, ifans, Peachly. These are all spelled wrong. This is terrible. This is terrible. First of all, it's ifans. Okay, got a capital ifans. And I think it's Peachly or some shit like that. Right? Doesn't matter if you're using Peachly. Doesn't matter if you're using that. You could be using the new one, which is, what is it called? Fansly. Right? You could be using any of these platforms, and you could always make them go through your site first and then really push them into your business. So like I said, right, this is the basics. This is how you protect your business, is by owning your book of business, so that it doesn't matter what platform you're in, you have the information from the people who truly fuck with you the most. All right, so like I said, do me a favor. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to protect your OnlyFans business or any other business that you're in. Secondly, if you want to get into the free section of our mastermind, which is I'm actually going to do you a walkthrough. I'm going to show you the software we use. I'm going to talk about how you actually build the pages, how you get your own personal domain, how you do all those things so that you can protect your business in the future and continue down this path of becoming a content creator. And if in the future OnlyFans decides, we're going to switch up the platform, we're not going to do it, we said we were going to suspend it, but we don't end up suspending it, it doesn't matter to you. You don't have to restart. You don't have to try to pull people from OnlyFans. You literally will have their email addresses. You can send them information saying, hey, just launched on this new site, here you go. Right? And it keeps this part the same. No matter what happens back here, it keeps this part exactly the same for you. So I appreciate everybody who's watching this video. You already know it is Marketing with Dom. Let's go. And make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I build the hottest goddamn content in the niche. I'm the #1 content creator when it comes to teaching other content creators how to keep getting to the bag in here. And we're actually going to teach this absolutely free. Okay, so go down below, click the link, join the free mastermind position. It's going to walk you the whole process to building out your own landing page. And you can literally follow directions, have your own custom domain, and build and protect your OnlyFans business. All right, it's your boy Marketing with Dom. Let's go.